Loads come in all shapes and sizes, and they need to be picked up and moved from point A to point B. But load handling means nothing if it's not done safely and securely with no damage to the goods or the lifting equipment, and most importantly, human life. Klug Avalon stands out for its ability to manufacture customized safe lifting solutions, from different types of sensors to display units. Since most of our components are developed in-house, we are able to customize products that meet the needs of individual brands.
Our clients all have different requirements in terms of material to be handled, area of operation and equipment to be used. We utilize our in-house cutting-edge design infrastructure to deliver custom-built safe lifting solutions that meet our clients' unique requirements.
Data drives the world. Klug Avalon's cloud-based app seamlessly integrates with our solutions, delivering actionable data precisely when and where it's needed. We are incorporating AI into our safe lifting solutions, building an Internet of Things, IoT, that facilitates real-time monitoring of crucial data. Complemented by cameras and sensors, IoT enhances situational awareness, minimizing collisions and ensuring safety for on-the-ground staff. To ensure a smooth process for our clients, we work with them to provide prototype systems that meet their needs in terms of design ideas and operational logic before releasing them for production. This adherence to standard processes assures the quality and dependability of the goods we design and build.
To ensure efficiency and excellent results, we design and develop electronic products using the most recent state-of-the-art technologies, design softwares, and design tools.
Our shop floor is the heartbeat of our operations, and it is our pride and joy in many ways.
Klug Avalon's integrated manufacturing unit is a masterpiece in innovation and efficiency. Our focus on lean process ensures streamlined operations, while world-class machinery empowers us to deliver unmatched quality. From customization to high-volume production, we are dedicated to adding value to our customers' needs.
Klug Avalon's production space is the only one that incorporates automation in almost every process, from design through manufacturing, assembly, and testing.
Our customer support doesn't end with the sale. We provide our clients with ongoing support post-production, including maintenance, upgrades, or any necessary modifications to the design products.
Our goal is to deliver value for investment to our clients by providing cost-effective solutions without sacrificing quality.
Possibilities are what make life fulfilling, and it is our values that enable us to identify these possibilities, to realize the opportunities they offer. They fuel a sense of innovation, giving us the ability to create some of our proudest achievements. These achievements have helped us grow into a premier provider of mechatronic solutions in our current marketplace.
Our innovation, automation, use of technology, and backward integration help us deliver customized solutions that add value to our customers' operations and their bottom lines. Today, Klug Avalon stands on the cusp of a new world of challenges, and we are ready to sense opportunities for you.